Hi Marco and OValley Painting. I'm Ray. I work for One Stop Marketing here in Palmdale. Let's take a look at your website. This is a pretty good site actually. You have pictures here, you have words, you have a contact form down here, a map. This is great. I want to talk to you about content and citations and backlinks. So contact is referring to the words on your site as well as the pictures and what they save as. You want to have about 1,500 words on your site, or at least on the home page. And you want to throw in there keywords like painting contractor, Antelope Valley, to show up in those search engines when people are searching for it. Also, these pictures, when I hit save as, it says Marco right here. I would probably have it say painting contractor Palmdale, painting contractor Antelope Valley, something like that, so that the picture would show up when someone searches for that term on Google. What you see, let's see, when I look up Antelope Valley house painters, first thing I see is the ads. But after that, there's this map pack here. And the way that you get into this map pack is with citations. Now, a citation is anywhere that has your business name, your address, and your phone number listed in a directory, like Facebook, Yellow Pages, Yelp, anywhere businesses are listed on websites to give people a chance to find them. I have this tool here, Whitesparks. Whitespark is a location citation or local citation finder. Wow, I said that right. I see that you have citations at Bing, Yelp, Houzz, MapQuest, Yahoo, ZoomInfo, Chamber of Commerce. I would want to look at some of your competitors and see what citations they have and figure out if we can get those. We can get those, and get some more on top of that so that you can show up here ahead of Quality Painters and Papage Painting, Incredible Painting. The next thing you see is these are the organic listings that come up when you search for Antelope Valley house painters. The way that you get here is with backlinks. Now, I have a tool that I like to use called Ahrefs, and if I pull up your site here, I see that Google trusts your site pretty good, so that's great, but there's not a lot of power coming to your site. I also see that there's no backlinks or referring domains, and you're not going after any keywords. This is all totally doable. Right here it shows me the traffic on your site. It looks like you're not getting found too much. The way I found you was through Yelp, and I don't know if everybody else is finding you that way or how they're getting to your site, but I'm not seeing it too much here. When I go to one of your competitors, though, they have 187 backlinks, which, did I tell you, a backlink is where another site has a link to your website, like maybe a news website did an article on you and they gave you a link. Let's see, what do they have? They have Yellow Pages, they have Expertise, Dex Knows. So they've got some good ones here, and you could totally get these too. They also have, they're going after some keywords that's getting them to list a little higher on the Google search results. So they're going after painters in Lancaster and painters in Palmdale, and that's what's getting them to show up when we search for those terms. We could totally do that for you, as well as getting you some more keywords, maybe painting contractors, something along those lines. Anyway, that's all I have for you. Using content with keywords, citations, and backlinks, you can improve your online presence. I would love to help you out with that. I hope you enjoyed this video and these free tips. If you want to see how One Stop Marketing can help you get more customers, just reach out to me and we can chat. If not, no harm, no foul. Just let me ask if you could please give me some feedback and let me know how I did on the video. Thank you so much for your time.